Dad,
What do you want? Come here. Dad, strange to you. Dad, look at this. Look at this. Dad. Look at this idiot. Dad, come look at this idiot. Look.
You have enough? You don't need to be in here.
Yow! Honey! Ow! I just got bit by a seagull. Dad, can I get out and beat the seagull? It bit me.
Honey, do not do this to me.
Give him a kiss, honey! Give him some bread! It's gonna spit! It's gonna spit! Here.
Honey. Open the damn...
Dad, close it! Dad, this is...
Dad, just start going.
Hey, this seagull bit me.
Honey,
Get some bull.
let this other girl have one. You can have
Dad,
this one.
Mom, Quinn just fainted.
No, there you
Who?
go.
What?
Who just fainted?
Quinn just fed him.
Oh,
I didn't feed him. Look at him.
oh, you little baby.
Hey, is that bears?
Whoa, shit. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Almighty, you're pretty hungry. Honey,
I'm gonna slap one of you.
stop it. You go.
Dad, stop. Dad, I don't
You gonna spit on me? I swear he's mad.
funny. Dad, that's not bad. This isn't cool. I'm giving it back. Dad, stop. I said I'll stop you.
Dad, look, he's running. He's running.
That's not funny, honey.
Dad, he was running with us.
Get that mom. Yeah.
He was running with us. He was running with us. And look at that little baby one down there.
Not funny.
Give him one, Quinn. Okay.
How many eagles
Eagle.
can you count? Okay, start counting.
Okay,
eagles.
guys, bye. Where's Eagles?
I don't know. You have to start looking.
Exactly. You can't see.
I want to pet this one for some.
Leave? Leave us alone.
He's running. I know, he was running with us. Oh, damn, there's a lot of poop.
Where's the eagles?